is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring from London, England, LIZZY.
You already know this is going to be a...
There is a lot riding on this match tonight, and you can just tell this superstar knows it.
And Corey, I can tell you these superstars are excited to be able to compete tonight on Halloween. Would you stop, Cole? Do you really think these superstars care about a silly holiday like Halloween? The only thing they care about is winning a match. She's been on an absolute warpath in the women's division lately.
Stepping up to the plate and absolutely hammering anyone who stands in her way. She simply just won't back down from anyone.
No matter how this match goes, I don't think that's something about her that will change.
Yeah, but in there too is a woman who has been purely focused on placing herself on top of WWE. She's proven she's ready to do anything and everything to secure herself the win.
Cross body. Muay Thai clinch applied. Knees, lefts and rights, and a kick to the body to finish it off.
Quick thinking, get her out of that one.
DDT. From the middle rope.
Oh, nobody home for that one.
And now it's six. She's going in for the pin. An easy kick out there. Keeping a loss at bay for now.
DDT drives that head into the ground.
Looking to take it to the air now.
Taking off.
Diving senton. She might need to regroup.
Put everything behind that kick.
Boom. Read that one. Muay Thai clinch applied. Knees, lefts and rights, and a kick to the body to finish it off. Oh, nasty headbutt. Left herself exposed here.
Beautiful fisherman suplex.
2 count, and she kicks out at 2. If she keeps the pressure on, the next one might do it. Boom, that puts her on the offensive. Makes some space and gets out of dodge. Drop kick! And she's really on the back foot now.
Oh, she's being put to the test now.
What started out a few short weeks ago with a few choice words has turned into an all-out blood feud between them. This is a level of aggression that makes the cover. Gets the shoulder up after 1. It's not over yet. Plenty left to go in this one.
Managing to evade a precarious position there.
She leaves the ring, but she can be counted out here. Adrenaline pumping. Here she goes. Top rope.
From above. Up high.
All the way down on the floor.
To take the way.
Whoa, look out.
Just flying through the air.
An expert use of the ropes there. And now gets tossed into the ring. And she's going right back up the ropes.
Launching. Connected with the crossbody.
Taking a chance one more time and landing with incredible impact. Down to one knee, off of the other. One enziguri.
And we can wrap this one up now. She is finished.
And going for the pin.
Has been eliminated.
Oh, that was a tough win. But look out from behind. Oh, no! Our guest commentator sneaking in from behind on the attack. This is just an all-out war here. Vicious headbutt.
And out of the ring she goes. Went for the kendo stick, and the rants will quickly follow.
Punch to the face. Oh, man, what a strike.
That was a tough blow, and now she is bleeding from the wound. And we obviously expected a good match, but these ladies have defied even the greatest of expectations.
Digging down deep, giving it their all, and it doesn't seem like they're done yet. Connects. Saw it coming. Out of nowhere. KO.
As she rises, you can see how vulnerable of a position she's in.
Down to one knee, off of the other. One enziguri.
Pulled out the game-ending maneuver.
Arm wringer.
But now pumped in the jaw.
Dishing out a suplex. What energy in the arena tonight.
She's waiting, laser focused. What has she got planned?
Enziguri finds its mark.
Start the celebration. She just ended things.
What a performance and what a win. Here's another look at some of the previous action, giving their fans their money's worth and more.
I'm on top, this ain't even my peak. And everything they said was out of my reach. It's getting so close now, did it all for the hometown. Time all year, we ain't skipped a beat now. This ain't even my peak. And everything they said was out of my reach. It's getting so close now, did it all for the hometown. Time all year, we ain't skipped a beat. Had the weight of the world on my shoulders. Felt like a lion in a room full of vultures.